Okay, so we're gonna make a plate. We're gonna be using between 4 and 5 pounds. It's completely up to you whether you wanna leave it a little bit thinner and coil and throw the foot on it, or simply just make it thicker and carve out that foot, all right? But here's one of the key things. I've already done some wheel wedging for this, all right? But here's the first key I wanna talk about a plate, is getting this nice and flat, almost like a pancake. All right, you see how I do this? So I've got the width of a good plate. Now I'm gonna lock my hands together and I'm gonna take my hand, I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna push this clay out. In the same moment, while I'm making this foot bigger, I'm also compressing the clay, okay? Compression is gonna be very an important part of the process because it's gonna make all those particles nice and dense, and you're less likely to get those S cracks. So we're gonna take this, again, my hands are locked together, and I'm just simply gonna push. And see how I'm making this, my hand here is making this nice and flat, and these two guys are gonna work together like this, okay? So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna stretch it out. All right, we're gonna do it again. Softer clay is your friend here, all right? All right, and that's about a good thickness. Plate's about that thick, all right? Now that I've gotten this, I'm going to go ahead and I like to use the S12 and just hold it and make that nice and like that. Now you've got a couple different options for plates. I'm going to show you one option. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze this. I'm going to pinch my thumb this way. I'm going to drive this up. Okay, so it's going to kind of look like almost like a pie plate. All right, I'm going to stretch here a little bit. We're going to pull these guys together. All right, I'm going to drive this up, again, looking like a pie plate. And you're like, well, how is this going to be a plate? Well, just watch. I'm going to go ahead and make that little mark, get that all set up. All right, I'm going to probably one more good push. All right. Now, here's where I stretch it out. Watch this. This is going to happen really fast. I'm going to take this. You can use your smaller rib, but I'm going to go ahead and just drop this down. So I'm going to take this. Everybody watching? We're going to go like this. See how I'm holding this? And I'm just going to drop this down. All right. So now, all right. Go like that. Make that nice and flat. People like flat plates. You don't want to make it a little warped. And then I'm just going to take this and simply do that. All right. That's how you make a plate. Okay?